with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, we've got one from the Philippines. It's an export version of their chicken Mami. It's basically it's a cup. It's a pretty big cup. And actually, it's kind of funny. I found it at Walmart. Yes. No. Walmart, Mimi. Yeah, Walmart. A couple days ago when I was looking actually for Panda Signature stuff that I haven't reviewed. Everybody's favorite variety. And yeah, so there's the noodle block. We've got one sachet of, let's see. Got one sachet of vegetables. And one sachet of powder. And into the cup they go on their merry, merry way. Now they're happy right now, but now they're gonna get boiled, and I don't know how much they enjoy that, but that's just their lot in life. To get boiled alive. Well, let's see. Right there, perfect. And a lid. And no, 3 minutes, not 37. So, yeah, how's everybody doing? It's a big day in my house. Just got Miles on the bus for his first day of first grade. So it was interesting because they came out with this app this year. What's it called? It's like, I can't remember what the hell it's called, but it was like, okay, says on time, 9:05. Oh, 5 minutes late, 9:10. Oh, 17 minutes late. Snap, what's going on here? But I was like, I'm not gonna lag on this. I'm gonna get them ready, because see, I gotta take both of them out. I gotta take Mimi with me, and she hangs out next to the bus driver, although she just hung out and started BSing with some other kid on the bus, and which was fun. And get him in, and then we wave goodbye and all that. So yeah, big kid. And he's got, it's first grade, so he's off, and he'll be back at right about 4:20. So, but the app, right when I was like, well, this is the normal time we'd go to the bus, maybe I should. And then it said arriving on time, and it was like, I want to say they were like maybe like 5 or 6 minutes late, maybe a little bit more. But yeah, it's the first day, so I guess I got to give the people who set that up some slack. But honestly, it's nice. It's nice to have some kind of thing. Apparently there's a GPS thing. I don't know if all the buses are going to have GPS on them, but yeah. My boy's off to school. And plus it's the super nice bus driver, so that's rad. She's cool. So yeah. What else is going on? Not much. Mimi is having fun slicing some construction paper and gluing it to another piece of construction paper. Isn't that right, Mimi? You having fun? Yeah. Yeah. It's weird. It's weird. My kid's in first grade. Man, it just seems like yesterday that he was like immobile. Like he couldn't even roll over. Oh, that story's been told by many a parent, probably for the last trillion years. Ugh, I remember when my kid couldn't exit from the cave. Yeah. But yeah, this is weird. And pretty soon, we'd be getting ready about an hour and a half from now, and then I'd get her on the bus, and then there'd be nobody here but me for 3 hours. So. But, you won't get on the bus by yourself, kid. No way. I'll take you to the bus. Miles won't be with us, but no, I'll get you on the bus. You know.
I walked on the bus by myself.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You think so, huh?
I'm a baker.
When you're a big girl, yeah. You're getting there, kid.
You have microphones for school.
Microphone? You mean headphones? You might need headphones for school like Miles did. I don't know. We will see. Hopefully we get some kind of supplies list for you. Hey, the noodles are not bad. Not bad for noodle. And then we've got the broth. Here, let's do this. It's weird. It's only like quarter to 10 right now. And usually I'm doing my stuff closer to like 11:30 or noon. That's good. That's a decent chicken instant noodle. Perfect. That's exactly as advertised. I like it when it works out like that. So let's make it a little more perfect. Because we strive for nothing but perfection at the Ramen Raider. Now I'm going to spill this all over myself. Have to call my wife, have to make her come home from work. She's like, I can't leave. No, I wouldn't want to do that. It's like literally the first.
Do you like my picture?
Oh, look at that. Look what Mimi made. I think it needs more, but here is her beginning. Is this, it looks like a banana and a pizza. It also looks like a machete and a poison dart. Ooh. Now, like this, if you take this away, it kind of looks like Taiwan if it was all stretched out. Very good. Put some more paper and glue on there, okay? Keep going. Satisfied, be satisfied with nothing but pure chewing satisfaction. Okay, let's see. I baked some chicken with some Pappy's seasoning. That stuff's freaking good. It's a little sweet. Chicken. I thought having it that way, but I'm gonna have it this way. Ow, God. So we got that. Then we're gonna add an egg. And she was so kind to me. I went to the store after she got home from work. Got, of course, bananas, chocolate milk, new green onions, and no, green onions are good. You'd be surprised how many things that are colored green are actually decent, Mimi. She's got a thing about eating green food. I don't know why.
I don't like
eating green food. It's me. Oh, I don't like it. No, I don't like it. And I think I found the holy grail here with Holy Slicer is definitely just chugging it into this thing. I'm doing it like that. That seems to be like no fuss, no muss. This is, here, I'll show you the box. So these are the best crackers in the entire universe. They're from Taiwan. They're by Mom's Dry Noodle. And they've got like a little bit of a cheesiness to them. They've got a little bit of a spiciness, like Szechuan pepper spicy. And they've got like almost like a glaze, like a spray glaze of like onion salt. And they're light and fluffy. Now, you're like, what? Crackers? What's this with crackers? Well, I'll tell you. A lot of the time you'll find instant noodles from this brand, Lucky Me, from the Philippines, that come with crackers. So trying to make it.
Look at my picture.
Whoa, look at that. Keep going, keep going. Excuse me, it's hot stuff out here. I give you the approval you seek, Miriam. Whoa! Well, I guess we get some crackers.
Crackers?
Yep. More crackers than I bargained for.
My band-aid fell off.
Okay. Mimi's Band-Aid fell off, ladies and gentlemen. Now you know, and knowing is half the battle. Let's add some sesame seeds to it. Throw it in the trash. That means you're healed. Keep going, working on your art. There's hot stuff out here, Mimi. School, Mimi. You'll love school. It'll be great. Here, hold your horses, man. Good enough for me. Rotato. Do it. God, that's horrible. Well, cool. Thanks for watching. Yeah, the next one we're going to have is this vegan white miso instant noodle soup version 1.2 from Vite Ramen. They make the ultra high protein, low sodium, it's got 500 calories. But look at all that. Those are all vitamins, minerals, fiber, everything you need for a balanced, complete meal. And it's wonderful, and it's in a block of noodles. So, catch the show tomorrow. Like and subscribe. If you do that, good things will happen. Thanks. Bye.